Welcome back again to the Techie Dialogue. In this video, I will show you how to send a PDF through Gmail from your laptop or PC. I already have the PDF file ready to send. Stick with me through the whole tutorial. We will go step by step, and skipping ahead might mean missing something important. Open your preferred web browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, whatever you use. I will be using Google Chrome for this example. This is a simple process but a genuinely useful one. Whether you are sending a document to a friend, a colleague, or even your lawyer, to do this, go to the Gmail by clicking the Gmail icon in the top right corner of google.com or just type mail.google.com directly into your address bar. Once you are in Gmail, click Compose in the upper left corner. Enter the recipient email address at the top. You can type it and select it from the suggestion that pop up. I'll remove my signature here since we do not need it for this example. Next, add a subject line, then type your message in the email body. Now look at the bottom of the Compose window. Just to the right of the send button, you will see a paperclip icon. That's your attach files button. Click it. Browse to where your PDF is saved. Mine's file was on the desktop and documents, so I'll select it and click open. The file will start uploading. Once it's attached, you are all set. Just click send and your PDF is on its way. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.